Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to your accountancy subject as we are with the fourth chapter of your accountancy UC first year. As usually, recording of the transactions, part 2, which we are proceeding today. And see, most probably till now, what all the concept which we have covered is the first main subsidiary book, in that the cash book. Totally, we have completed with that. In that cash book, as we saw the single column and double column cash book, even with the balancing of cash book we have completed. This three main concept from the cash book we completed. Now the further concept what we may discuss now, remaining concepts are from the purchase books, purchase return book, sales return book. These are the concepts what we are going to proceed further. So as usually the first concept after the cash book is purchase book. Now most probably purchase book means what transactions you record here. So even I would like to get any feedbacks from you about these answers. What generally you know about this purchase book? Now cash book means what? Cash related transactions are recorded over there. In that double column, bank transactions also will be recorded. Now what it exactly the purchase book means? In this what we are going to do in the purchase book? Any of the answers from your side? What we can record here?
Purchasing some goods on
Purchasing
credit.
of goods. Which purchase? It is a customer purchase or business purchase?
So business purchase.
Business purchase.
Why the
So business
customer?
purchase.
Why not the customer?
Sir, it is customer is a sales, sir.
Sales. But even you will be the customer if you are purchasing raw material from others. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then, yes, purchases of the goods for the sale. Okay, let's see
Yes.
what exactly it means. Just in general terms, let me know that what you exactly means over here for this purchase book. As we are in the accountancy subject now, here we are going to think from the business point of view. Okay. So further, see, I will highlight here a few of the points. Now, what the points exactly will be, I will tell you. See, in the purchase book, most probably all the credit transactions of goods are recorded in the purchase journals. Now, journal entries also are there. Now, when you are going to make a credit transactions, all credit purchases of goods are recorded in the journals. Remember the point. See, whichever you make the credit transaction, just like उधार आप ले रहे हो goods तो कहाँ पर record करोगे journals. It is the journals where you are going to record. Then whereas cash purchases are recorded in the cash book only. Now see, whatever the things are there, just like as I told you, if you are making cash purchases, obviously it will be recorded in the cash book, and credit purchases in the journals. Then further, other purchases such as purchase of office equipments or furniture or building are recorded in the journal proper. See, even after these concepts, just like cash book, purchase book, purchase return book, sales return book, after that journal proper, one of the concept is even there we maintain certain journal entries in that. What all that journal entries most probably may be related to the office equipments, just like this office equipments, the furniture, building are recorded over there. One concepts are there, just like I am mentioning the words journal proper means these concepts will be discussed in the further sessions in detail. Okay, if any of the queries arises, keep that queries for that concept. In that next further sessions, you will get all the queries cleared the as we proceed further. Then in this, most probably journal proper, if purchase purchased on credit or in cash book, if purchased on cash. See, if purchased on credit, it will be in the journals, and it is if purchased on cash, it will be in the cash book. That is what the properly you need to remember in the purchase book what exactly we are going to do. Then further, just like where we are, yeah, the source documents are recording journals entries, sorry, not journals, recording entries in the books are invoice and bills received by the firm from the suppliers of the goods. See, whatever the bills which you receive, it that are the invoices, the bills. On that basis only the transactions will be recorded. In that bills, it may contain any of the discounts as well. That discounts, we are not going to maintain any of the things. Just in invoice, what bills will be there, that bills will be recorded over here. Then further entries are made with the net amount of the invoices. Obviously, whatever the net amount you are going to pay, on that basis only the entries will be recorded over here. Then trade discount and other details of the invoice need not be recorded in this book. Whatever the discounts what you are going to get will not be recorded in the books. Directly the net amount. Just like if you are charged 2,25,000 rupees. Now for this 10% is been told discount. What will be the 10% for this? 22,500 will be the 10%. Yes?
Yes, sir.
After deduction of this, what will be the net amount for this will be recorded here. That's it. This net amount, what will be the net amount? That will be recorded in the cash book or purchase book. Got the things? Whatever the discounts. This discount, what you have said, it will be given in the questions, but this amount will not be mentioned there. What will be the net value, that only will be taken into consideration. So this is what exactly you need to remember here. Then after this, they have told here the purchase book performer, the specimen of the format of the purchase book they have given here. Just I will draw over here the purchase book. First one comes with the date, next invoice bill, invoice number, it is invoice number, then name of the supplier, name of the supplier, in that account to be credited, amount or account to be credited, account to be credited, and lastly ledger folio and an amount. So this is what the format, amount in rupees. So this format we are going to follow for purchase book. So this is what purchase book format. First you are going to say take the dates, then invoice bills, whatever the documentary source of document, invoice bills, that only you are going to make the bill numbers, whatever are been there, bill numbers will be written here. Then in whose name of the supplier, from whom you have purchased it. Just like if it is a Namin, Niman, Namin, Namin, or any name you can suggest, Pratap, Pratap. See, these are the names where we will be recording here. And the invoice number 42131009. This will be the invoice numbers what we are going to record in this. So as per the things, what exactly we are going to do, we are going to take a illustration for this, and the same illustration will be recorded, and even after the recording the posting to the ledger accounts will be done. Now every time whatever the concepts are there, leaving that, if you are doing the purchase book, leaving that purchase book, any of the other names, just like purchase account will be opened, then the names of the persons, that is what the name of the suppliers. On that account the ledger accounts will be opened. So let's see one by one the concept. Before that I need to give you all the question exactly what we are going to do. Let's see, but before that one normal two lines are there. Let's see what all things exactly it means. The monthly total of purchase book is posted to the debit side of the purchase. That is what monthly purchases, whatever you make the purchases will be on the debit side, posted to the debit to purchase account in the ledger. That is what in the purchase book it will be debited. And individual suppliers account may be posted daily. Individual suppliers account will be posted daily. Now individual suppliers, obviously it will be credited. Whatever you are purchasing, your purchase account will be there, and what who is purchasing, that will be credited. Obviously the name of the suppliers will be credited over here. Whenever if you remove the ledger accounts for this, the amount will be under the credit side. Then further, consider the following details obtained from the Mr. Kamini Kanika traders and observe how the entries are recorded. So I think I have not sent you all any of the questions, and if anyone is having this,
Sir.
just check it out. I will be forwarding this in the group. I think so everyone has seen the question now. Let's get proceeded for this. See, the first question says that I will having your normal working note for that, just for the calculation purpose. What the first entry takes place in the year 2014 or 2017? I will write here 14 because in my book it is 14. So the first entry takes place on the August 4th. What it is? Purchase from
To
Miss
purchase from MS Nima
Miss
Electronics.
Nima Electronics. Invoice number is there. Invoice number is 3250.
3250.
3250 invoice number. Then see here further. 20 mini size TV. 20 mini size TV are being purchased at what price? At rupees 2000 per piece.
Yes, sir.
At rupees 2000 per piece.
Per piece.
So 20 into 2000. Check it out what will be the amount. Somewhere 40,000 will be the amount.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Wait.
Then next one. Calculate. मैं अंदाज से कर रहा हूँ, आप calculation करो. You have to calculate it. Then further, 15 tape recorders.
Yes, sir. It is 40,000 only. It is.
Tape recorders.
Tape recorder, sir.
15
Sir,
tape recorders
rupees 12,500.
at rupees 12,500.
Yes, sir.
12,500 per piece.
Yes, sir.
Check it out what will be the amount.
Sir,
12,500.
1,87,500.
1,87,500.
500.
Okay. After that, trade discount on all item is 20%. Now 20% they have given here the discount. Now what you are going to do this discount amount? Just check it out what will be the total of these two. These two total.
Sir, 2,27,500.
7,500. Okay. Remove the 20% on this.
Means minus, sir.
20% discount निकालो ना. 227,500 into 20%. 20 divided by 100 करो.
Sir, 45,500 it will come.
45,500. Okay.
Yes,
इसमें से
sir.
reduce करो कितना होता है देखिए. Remove, subtract this amount in this.
Sir,
सिर्फ आप
total 1,82,000.
1 lakh
82,000.
82,000. This is the final amount what we are going to record here. 1 lakh
Yes, sir.
82,000. Now only two of you have recorded. And what about others? Nima Enterprises.
Electronics, sir.
Electronics. Yes, what about others? Yes, Ananya, Aarti, Bhumika, Prasad, Lakshmi, Sandhya. Have you understood this concept? On this amount, 20% is been taken. That is what? 20% of this is removed out. This is what discount they have given. On this purchase, they have given on this much of amount as a discount. If any doubts are there, now itself you have to ask.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
What about others? Sandhya, Lakshmi? Fastly you have to answer yes or no. Yes, raise your voice fast. Okay, I will proceed further. I will not wait for your answers. So this concept is clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Let's go for second entry. What is the second entry over here? Bought
The bought from
from
MS Power
Mrs.
Electronics.
Pawan Electronics. Invoice bill is, it is on August 10th,
8260.
10th August. Invoice bill is 8260.
8260, sir.
Okay. What they have brought over here now? From this
The 10
electronics?
video cassettes.
Video cassettes.
10 video
Rupees 150 per piece.
rupees.
Video cassette.
Yes, sir.
10 video cassettes into how much rupees? At rupees?
So
150
150 per
150
piece.
150 per piece.
Sir, 1500 it will be the answer.
150 1000?
500.
Yes,
100.
1500 rupees. Then what about
Yes,
others?
sir.
20 tape recorders.
Yes, sir. 1650 rupees it is, sir.
20 tape recorders. What is the amount for 1650?
650, sir.
650.
Sir, it is 33,000.
Total amount will be how much?
Sir,
33.
33,000.
Okay, 33,000.
3,000.
Okay, check it out. What will be the total? This is what 1500 and this is 33,000 means
33,000.
34,500 it is,
So
right?
500, sir. Yes, sir.
And now 10% discount on this. What it has been told in this? Trade discount
10%
is 10%
discount
on
on
purchase.
purchases.
Then what will be the trade discount over here? 10% means 3,450.
Yes, sir.
Remove that amount 3,450.
3,450. Yes, sir. It is correct. 3,450.
Deduct this amount from this and tell me the final amount.
Wait, sir. Sir, it will be 31,050.
30,
So 31,050.
1,050.
31,000.
050, sir.
Okay,
05.
31,050.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this will be the final amount what we are going to record in the purchase book. So whose name it is? Pawan's names.
Sir, Pawan Electronics.
Pawan Electronics.
Electronics.
Yes. So second entry also got over, right? This is what the calculation
sir.
part. As they have purchased first the video cassettes at rupees 150 per piece, 10 into 150.
150.
1500. Tape recorders at rupees 1650. 20 tape
650.
recorders are there. The totally it will be 33,000.
33,000.
If you make the addition of this both, it will be 34,500, and on that 10% trade discount has been given. So straight
Yes, sir.
away the amount, the final amount, net amount we can call this. Net amount payable.
Yes, sir.
and recordable. This is what net amount payable and recordable.
Yes,
That only
sir.
in the theory part what I told you, the discounts and all we are not going to show over here. Just what net amount is being paid, that only we are going to see.
Yes, sir.
Then coming to the next part, let's see.
Sir,
So one-
August 18 it is. Date.
Okay. Purchased from Northern Electronics, invoice number 4256,
4256.
15 Northern stereos at rupees
Stereos.
4,000 per
4,000.
piece. Wait, just it is on the 18th.
Yes, sir.
Invoice bill is number is 4256.
4256.
Now, what it has been purchased here? Northern stereo.
Electronic.
Stereos 15.
How much? 15 it
Sir,
is.
4,000.
15 into 4.
Yes, sir.
4,000 rupees.
Yes,
each.
sir.
15 into 4,000.
Sir, it will be 60,000.
60?
1,000.
60,000 rupees. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then next one again what they have purchased?
Sir, Northern Color TV.
Northern Color
20.
20
And sir,
TVs have
amount
been
is
purchased.
14,500. It is.
14,500
500.
rupees each. 14,500 per piece, miss.
Sir, it is 2,90,000.
14,500.
Yes, sir.
What amount? How much?
2,90,000, sir.
2,19 or 90?
900.
90,000.
Hmm.
So just check it out. 2090 means 3,050. 3,50,000 it is, yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3,50,000.
Remove discount 12.5% on that. Trade discount is 12.5.
Yes, sir. Wait. Sir, it is 43,750.
Trade discount is 43,750.
750.
Then after that final amount, remove that amount in that 3 lakh.
Sir, 30 lakh 6,000
No,
250.
3 lakh
Sorry,
6,000.
3 lakh 6,000
Sir, 3,06,250.
250.
Okay. So this is what net amount? 3 lakh
Yes, sir.
6,250.
250.
Okay, correct. So Northern Electronics.
Yes, sir. Northern Electronics. It is.
Northern Electronics. This concept got over. Next, let's go for next point.
August 26th.
26th August, purchased from
Yes.
Nima
Yes,
Electronics.
Electronics.
Again, Nima has been repeated.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is on 26th. Date is
Yes, sir.
26th.
The invoice number
Sir, invoice number is
3294.
Yes, sir.
3294.
Yes, sir.
3294. Okay. After that, again working note as usually.
Yes, sir.
See, if possible, whenever if you solve the problems, this kind of working note should be done in any subject if it is. This is what accountancy means, do this kind of working notes wherever the questions are being asked. This kind, if any of the purchase comes necessary, wherever is necessary, there only you have to do. So here it is what? Mini TV,
10 mini piece
mini size,
Yes, sir. 10 mini size TV.
at rupees 1,000 per piece.
Yes, sir.
rupees 1,000 each. How much TVs?
Sir, 10.
10 into 1,000
10.
means,
Sir, 10,000 it will be.
yes, 10,000. And
Next, 5 color TV, sir.
Color TV.
Yes, sir.
At rupees 12,500.
Yes, sir. Into sir, 5 into 12,500.
Check it out. What will be the total?
Sir, 62,500.
2,500.
Okay, what is the total of this? 72,500.
500.
Yes, sir.
Any of the discounts are being told? Trade discount is
Sir,
20%.
at 20%.
20%.
Check it out, the discount.
3,600.
14,500.
Yes, sir. 14,500. Correct it is.
See, normal amount should be calculated orally. No need to go for calculation part. Remove this amount and tell me what is the part.
Sir, 58,000.
So 54,000.
How much?
So 54,000.
54 or 58? Check it out.
So 54.
54. Okay, 54. 54,000. Fine. So again, last one entry is remained. It is on the
Yes, sir.
29th. From again, it is from the Pawan only.
Yes, sir.
29th. What is the invoice number here?
8281.
8281.
Yes, sir.
Again, it comes from Pawan.
Yes, sir.
Pawan.
Yes, sir. Pawan Electronics it is.
Pawan Electronics. So
Yes, sir.
again, let's go for the calculation part.
Yes, sir.
See, I feel this very interesting. This kind of working, what we do in the accountancy, it is really interesting part. As
Yes.
directly taking the amount and passing the entries is just like lazy work,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what all things are there? 20 video cassettes.
Yes, sir.
At rupees 50 per piece.
At
Yes, sir.
rupees 50. 50 rupees
150,
per
sir.
piece.
150.
Yes, sir.
So
150
150
it is.
per piece.
150, okay. How much?
Yes,
20
sir.
we has taken. 20 into 150.
Yes, sir.
3,000.
1,000.
Sir, 3,000. Yes, it is correct.
Yes, sir. 3,000.
Then next, what all
Sir,
things are there?
25.
So
Tape
25
recorders.
tape recorders.
At rupees how much?
1,600.
1,600 rupees.
Sir, 25 it is. Yeah, 25 tape recorders.
25 into 1,600. How much?
40,000.
5,000. It is?
Sir,
Just
it
check.
will be 40,000.
3,000.
How much? 14.
Sir,
40,000.
40.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 43,000 total.
Yes, sir. 43,000.
Any trade discounts are there?
So
Sir,
10%
10%.
on purchases.
So this 10% is 4,300.
Yes, sir. 4,300.
Then tell me the final amount.
So 38,700, I think so.
Yes, sir. Correct. 38,700.
Okay. So just tell me the total of this.
So 6 lakh 12,000.
12,000.
The final answer is completed. This much only we have in the purchase
Yes.
book.
Yes, sir.
Is there any queries regarding this?
No,
No.
sir.
No, sir.
Only this living three peoples. What about others? Is there any need to take their names and ask? Aarti,
Yes, sir.
any doubts?
No, sir.
Ananya, Vaishnavi, Lakshmi, Sandhya, Asim, Prasad. Any of the doubts are there regarding this? Okay, let's go for individual postings. Yes?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So individual postings, this everyone has taken this part,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
or else in short I will make over here on the other side.
Sir, only 4 we have to make ledger accounts.
Yes. In short, I am doing here.
Okay, sir.
Ledger posting, you should feel very easier. Why? Because only how much? 1, 2, 3. 3 ledger accounts are there, and one it is taken as a purchase account. 4.
Yes, sir.
Only 4 are there, right? Yes, 4 are there over
Yes,
here.
yes. Sir, Naman
See,
Electronics, Pawan Electronics, Northern Electronics, and purchases account.
Purchase account.
yes, obviously, for
Yes.
purchase account, total amount is been taken directly in the purchase account. It is been debited. How much you have purchased? 6
See, yes,
lakhs,
sir. 6
12,000 directly you will
12,000.
be taking in the name of
Purchases
purchase account, sundry purchase. That is what purchase journals, as you are going to mention. So I will try to
Yes.
get completed these concepts over here. So which all things are there here? Nima Electronics, then Pawan and Northern. So Northern is having only one single entry, and Nima and Pawan is having double entries.
Yes,
So
sir.
date. Nima Electronics. What will be taken in the Nima Electronics? Just tell me out. Almost. See, one thing you need to know is we are purchasing means in our account it is purchased, is debited always. The assets are been
Yes,
brought
sir.
in. When the assets increases, there is a debit entry. Remember the point. So
Yes, sir.
whatever the Nima Electronics or Pawan Electronics, Northern Electronics are there in the ledger account, they will be having only credit entries.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In the theory part,
Purchases account
before solving
entered to,
this, before solving
Nima
this in the
Electronics.
theory part, I told you.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So everywhere for first 2014, the date is 2014. What are the
Sir,
dates?
August
Two
4.
entries took place in the
August
Nima's
4,
account. One is
Sir,
4th
August
and
4
one
and
is 26th.
August
26.
4
26.
and 26. So
Yes,
which
sir.
account took place?
The
Purchases.
purchases both.
Sir, purchases.
Purchases. Purchases. What are
Sir,
the
amount
amounts?
is
1 lakh,
Sir, around
1,82,000.
1,82,000.
82,000, and one more
And next
Sir,
54,000.
54,000.
54,000. Here no
Yes, sir.
balancing of any of the accounts are told for you.
No, sir.
No
Yes, sir.
balancing is there for any of the accounts here. No balancing of any accounts. So only
Yes,
this.
sir.
Then next one is Pawan.
Pawan
Pawan
Electronics.
Electrons.
Pawan Electronics as usually same. 2014 year,
Credit side only, sir.
2014, one is on 10th and one is on 29th.
There's one,
10 and
29,
29.
sir.
Same purchase. Purchase only
Yes,
are
sir,
there?
purchases.
Purchases.
Yes, sir.
Purchases only are there. Yes. Both amounts are
Sir,
there.
on 10th, 31,050.
Yes, sir.
31,050. And next,
And next,
30.
38,700.
38,700.
700. Even this got completed.
October, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next is Northern Electronics.
Who is this? Next to Northern.
Yes, sir. Northern Electronics.
Northern Electronics.
Yes, sir.
Even this is only one entry, right?
One entry, sir.
Yes, sir.
One entry.
On which date it
Sir,
is?
only one entry.
2014
Sir, August
August
18th.
18th.
18.
Yes,
This
sir.
is in the name of
Purchases, sir.
Sir, purchases only.
purchases only.
Sir, amount is
3,06,000.
3,06,250.
250.
1,250.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Even this got completed over here.
Sir, last is purchase account.
Purchases account. In purchases account, directly you are going to take the year 2014 and one more
31st.
31.
August 31. Then see sundries as per purchase journal. This is what
Journal, sir.
this
Yes,
amount.
sir.
Directly you are
Yes,
going to
sir.
take sundries
Sundries as per
As per,
purchases journal. Purchases journal.
purchase journal.
Yes, sir.
Purchase journal. What is the amount over there? 6 lakh
6,12,000.
Sir, 6,12,000.
12,000. That's it.
Yes,
So
sir.
even this got
Yes,
completed.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, in time we have completed this problem. I may get disconnected in 2 minutes or 1 minute of time. So
Yes,
if
sir.
any of the
1
doubts
minute,
are
sir.
there, you can raise.